watt meter.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the switch is on. You just tell me to give it a go and I'll go.
Okay, go ahead. The way it sounds, it could be the same Tecumseh AH series reciprocating compressor like my 1975 Fetters. The way it sounds. Sharkie, please forgive me for fucking around with your dehumidifier, please.
All you're doing is making a video.
Yeah, that's all I'm doing.
Shit here. Safety third, man.
Yeah. So right now, it's just starting up now. We're messing around 502 watts, 505. And we'll just 513 watts. It's getting some pressure. It'll drop down once just about 520 watts now.
Yeah, we'll probably hit about 550 based on the ambient temperature.
Yep, because it's like 80 degrees out right now, and it's high humidity right now. But tomorrow they say it's going to get better. The humidity won't be as bad tomorrow. But here's the back of it, and even with this dehumidifier, with the different fan motor, both of these things, they're a lot quieter than my my Folks Amana dehumidifier.
Yeah.
It's like, it almost sounds like a jet engine with the centrifugal blower blowing a shit ton of air, which is totally unnecessary.
And the noise you hear in the background is just the Lakewood fan.
Yep.
It's not even.
You know what? Why don't we just shut it off for a minute, just to show you exactly how quiet it is.
See if I can step over the wire. Light switch.
Now, do you guys know what I'm talking about? You know what? For the hell of it, we'll run both of them at the same time. I gotta put you down for a second. The battery's low. Hopefully my camera doesn't cut out on me.
I gotta put the switch back on it. Ready?
Yeah. So we got both dehumidifiers running at the same time. We got the Sahara 20 running on top of the General Electric, both from the 80s. So they're both pretty much at the exact same, pretty much the same decibel level. Actually, this is kind of cool. I don't know if you ever done this before, like run both of these at the same time.
It's probably louder.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Yeah, because again, the fan in it is the fan motor is not original.
No.
First and foremost.
Yeah,
Secondly, it's actually rotating in the reverse.
Yeah,
direction.
so you had to reverse the blades.
Right. So I basically took two wrongs and made a right out of it.
Yeah, so if you guys have seen his one video of this unit, you got to you'll see the fan motor when it's taken apart. Like one more time, I'll show you the back of it. Ooh, this is ice cold. Oh, there goes the STL-10 siren. Hang on for a second. Yep, that's a Federal Signal STL-10 siren sounding 12:20 p.m. It just did a few cycles of attack.
Both dehumidifiers at the same time. And that's all the noise makes.
Anyway, so one more time. Do you see this, ladies and gentlemen? Would a modern dehumidifier do this? Even my Fetters air conditioner, even when it first starts up, it makes a lot of condensation. Think about it. I don't feel like taking something's in the way. I don't feel like showing you from the Kenmore. So, but this is good enough. So I figured Two vintage dehumidifiers working perfectly. This one with the custom fan motor. Actually, this one's starting to drip on top of the Kenmore. Starting to drain out the 2 holes, 3 holes. That J is an 8. So we were just doing a double take, and you might see it in this video in the making. He caught me catching the STL-10 siren. So 2 dehumidifiers, the Sahara 20 pint and the Kenmore. Alright, thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed. There might be another video of me checking out his washer and dryer sets. Thank you for watching.